Fountain. Our dinner in Japanese restaurant today here in Adelaide. Are you excited to eat Japanese restaurant? Yes? Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's good because I am very excited to eat Japanese restaurant. We're gonna go to the Chinatown.